Hi, my name is Montana, and today we'll be unboxing the HPE Aruba Networking BR-150 5G Cellular Bridge. The BR-150 is a cloud-managed 5G cellular wireless bridge for reliable, fast internet connectivity. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here you have your installation and configuration guide, safety, compliance, and warranty information, and a startup guide. And here is the bridge itself. We will have a closer look at it later. Also included is the bottom part of the mounting bracket assembly and installation screws. These are used to secure the bracket to the bridge. And at the bottom, you will find a SIM tray ejector pin, which will come in handy during the SIM card installation. There is nothing else in the box. Let's have a closer look at the unit itself. You will find the removable sticker with the MAC address and a serial number. There are also LED indicators for system, cellular, and cloud connection status. On the side, you will find a Kensington lock socket. On the back, you will find the DC power slot. Note that the power adapter doesn't ship with the unit and needs to be ordered separately together with the country-specific power cord. There's a reset button. You will need a pin to reach it should you ever need to use it. There's also a USB-C console port and an auxiliary USB-A port. Here is a Nano-SIM Tray. Use the pin that's been provided to pop it open and install the physical SIM card. Note that this bridge also supports one eSIM slot as well. There are two multi-rate Ethernet ports, E0 and E1 for downlink connectivity, both supporting data rates of 100 meg, 1 and 2.5 gigabit per second. You can also power up the bridge using PoE through port E1 if you don't want to use the AC power source. On the bottom, you will find that the bridge has 4 rubber feet pre-installed for easy desktop installation. In case you want to mount this bridge on a wall or a ceiling, you will have to install the bottom part of the mounting adapter assembly that has been provided and then order the appropriate bracket from the indoor HPE mounting bracket range to suit your installation scenario. Check out our video on mounting bracket options for more details. And there you have it. For more information, check out the library via our website link in the description below. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching.